and find out why at mypillow.com. Put in our promo code JIGGY and save some big-time money at mypillow.com. Thanks for tuning in and being a part of the big program. Let's go to our first segment here on our big program. Yes, indeed. Well, let's try this. Let's go to, I guess we're going to go to our first guest of the new hour. Switchblade Bill is going to be with us. David Chafin from Switchblade Bill, I think, is going to be joining us here in just a few moments. David, can you hear us? Dave, how are you, sir?
Doing good. How are you?
Pretty good, actually. We have got a great guest with us today. So, Switchblade Bill, tell us a little about Switchblade Bill.
Billy. Yeah, Switchblade Bill. Let me put you on the speaker here. I got the boys here. Can you hear us?
Yes, indeed. I got you guys.
How you doing, man? Hey, how you doing?
Pretty good, actually. I'm glad that you guys are linked up with us today.
Hey, sir, absolutely.
So,
do it.
Tell us a little bit about how Switchblade Billi got started.
Go ahead, Ross.
You want to let me take that?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, right now we're just sitting in the garage, kind of hanging out in the rain. So, be patient with us. But anyways, now Switchblade Bill, we got started about a year ago. As I'm sure you've heard, we're all two of these boys, David and Jason. They're from Kansas City, and I'm from Northwest Tennessee. And we've just all kind of made our way down here to Citrus County. And Mr. Dave here, he put out a little Facebook ad on looking for a drummer to play with. Go ahead. I'm sorry, cut out.
No, I'm just listening, brother. Just listening. Tell us all about it.
Yes, sir. Anyways, so I come over here, and he's like, man, we play the blues and whatnot. And I said, well, I don't have a lot of experience with that, but I give it a go. I come from a real kind of progressive metal kind of background. That's all the bands I ever play with. Well, we get to kind of jamming on this old little drum set. I'm sitting on a tractor kind of drum stool, not even an actual drum stool. It's a tractor seat. And we're sitting there playing, and that's about the first 10 minutes of that. We knew that this is what we kind of wanted to do.
Switchblade Billi.
We went from there.
Yes, indeed. So we have got some of your music here. Tell us about Florida. We're going to play that here in a few moments.
Yeah, Florida, we just kind of wrote about, like Ross said, Jason and I are from the Midwest and East Tennessee. Went through some hard winters up there, and, just kind of, I'm sure you've done as well, but fantasize about being down on a beach somewhere, particularly Florida in this case. We just wrote a little jingle about it, and I don't know, it just kind of happened.
It's just about, our experience of coming down here. I know where I'm from, a lot of folks, they talked about coming down here on vacation, and I told them, I said, well, I'm going to go live in Florida. And they're like, yeah, I bet you will. Well,
I'm going to go live in Florida. That's awesome. Well, the only thing I know about Florida, there's a couple things I know about Florida, but one of them, I have someone in my immediate group, she is allergic to the entire state of Florida. So I don't know why, but she's allergic to the entire state of Florida. It's kind of strange.
That sounds about like my mama. She came down here for Thanksgiving. After she went back home, she said, I ain't ever coming back.
That's right. So let's do this. We're going to put you guys on hold here on our program, and I am going to play this track, and we will be back with you guys here in just a few moments.
Absolutely. We'll be right here.
Thank you. Here it is. It's Florida, and it is on The Big Broadcast.
Well, come on, boys, let's head on south. I'm tired of cold weather, tired of this town. I know a nice little happy spot. I got it marked on the map with a dot. Come on, boy, let's head to paradise. Well, Florida. Florida. Yeah, Florida. Hey, Florida. Headed your way down the interstate. I need a sandy breeze and a salty trees with a drink in my hand, water to my knees. Come on, for I need you in my life. Oh, let's go. Well, it don't never snow and the sun is always out. It's ice cold and our bands are plenty loud. You don't need no snow shovels, no, you don't need no snowshoes. Just a good pair of flip-flops you can lose. Well, Florida, Florida, yeah, Florida, hey, Florida. Headed your way down the interstate. I need a sandy breeze and a salty trees with a drink in my hand, water to my knees. Come on, Florida, I need you in my life. Put the pedal down, boy. Get on down that sandy beach. Get a flip-flop sunburn on your feet. Forget about your daily grind. All your bills, just leave it behind. Come on, Florida, live your life. Well, Florida, Florida, yeah, Florida, hey, Florida. Headed your way down the interstate. And you see the breeze and the salty trees with a dream in my hand, water to my knees. Come on, Florida, they do in my life. Oh, let's go. Atlanta, Maria, Sarasota, Pensacola, Gainesville, Spring Hill, and Daytona, Tampa Bay. Come on, boys, all the way. We're gonna knock them flip-flops on tonight. Well, Florida, yeah, Florida, hey, Florida. Headed your way down the interstate. I need a sandy breeze and a salty trees with a drink in my hand, water to my knees. Come on, Florida, I need you in my life. Come on, let's go south, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on, give me one more. Here we go, yeah. Florida.
Okay, we are going to go back and see if these guys are still there. That always helps. Here we are. Switch things around. Okay, so Switchblade Billi back with us here on our big program. You can find them on the on the Facebook at facebook.com/Switchblade Billi. So, tell us about touring and all the different things that you guys are involved in. Or have you guys played outside of Florida yet?
No, we haven't yet. We're, honestly, the whole COVID thing this past year kind of is what put us together. And, we've got kind of a plantation out here. We got good sized studios, a lot of land. And, we've been playing around for a little bit, but haven't got too carried away. We plan on running them up though here soon.
We were just actually talking about making our way up to Kansas City.
Kansas
playing,
City, here I come.
Hopefully by maybe the end of the year.
So you guys have some more music. It's available on your website, switchbladebilli.com. So tell me about Jailhouse Blues. We're gonna play that here in a few moments.
Well, actually, we haven't released that one yet. So.
Oh,
that,
okay.
That link that you got only that's a private link that you got. So.
Oh, okay.
But that song was wrote about a friend of ours about 10 years ago, Jailhouse Blues, and we finally actually released Florida. So far, we did that just a couple weeks ago. But
now here soon, we're getting here in the next week or so. We're getting ready to release a second single. We're kind of rolling this out kind of slow, and that's gonna be Highway 69. That's gonna be our next one. Drastically different than Florida. And that's one thing about a whole album in general. If you listen to it, it's very broad. It's not just one genre. It's a bunch of collaborations of different ones from all we come from. And I'm glad you're listening to all of it, even though it's not all technically released yet.
I
That's
tell you
awesome.
what, though, just because we're in a happy mode, you can go ahead and play that if you want.
Well,
you
mentioned Highway 69. Let's play that. Tell me a little bit about this.
Well, it's nothing subliminal about this song. It's about Highway 69. So let's just say my wife picked me up from the airport, and I just came up with this idea. You'll probably get a good idea out here.
Fantastic. Well, let's do this. We are going to go and we will put these guys on hold once again, and we will come back after the song. It is Highway 69 here on the Big Program.
A destination. The top was down, we had it busting at the seams. The chain was wrapped, my shifter was making a scream. I had a full tank of gas, so I was trying to make it last. Highway 69 is a destination. Going down Highway 69. Oh, it feels so good. Going down on Highway 69. Had to get under a hood. Going down Highway 69. Alright. She was looking so fine. Going down Highway 69. Took Missionary Road all straight down to the doghouse. I hung out in the back before I headed south. I had to see your face too fast, all wrapped up in leathers and lace. Highway 69 is a destination. Going down on Highway 69. Oh, it feels so good. Going down Highway 69. Yeah, getting under the hood. Going down Highway 69. She was looking so fine. Going down Highway 69. a destination. Going down on Highway 69. Going down on Highway 69. Going down on Highway 69. She was looking so fine. Going down Highway 69, let it ride all night.
That is Switchblade Billi, and it is the world famous Jiggy Jaguar radio broadcast. We are coast to coast and border to border on iHeartRadio today, and we go back to Switchblade Billi. They join us today here on our big broadcast at 22 minutes after the hour. And so, gentlemen, before we let you guys go, how do we get in touch with you on social media, websites, all these things?
Well, we've got, you can find us on, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We've got our website, switchbladebilli.com. All the contact info is there to follow us, and look forward to bringing y'all some fresh new music here.
And we really appreciate y'all taking the time out of y'all day to come play us all the way up there in Kansas City and all that around the world, and we really appreciate it. And, yeah, we'll hope to be hearing more from us here really soon.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Well, gentlemen, thanks for doing this. And we will talk to you soon. Have yourself a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you, guys.
Y'all as well. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it, gentlemen. There they go. It's Switchblade Billi. And they join us today here on our world famous Jiggy Jaguar radio broadcast, coast to coast and border to border, on iHeartRadio today and also AM/FM.